In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix there was a problem with the server. So the first step is to go to your settings and then you just have to go to the YouTube app. Now on iOS, we're gonna have to go to general, then iPhone storage, and then from here we just have to look for the YouTube app. It's the same method on Android phone, so you just have to look for YouTube and then tap on offload app. So basically this will clear the cache file. So this is what we need to do. Clear the cache files and then simply make sure to restart your phone, and basically this should fix this error. So on your Android phone, make sure you clear only the cache files, so not the data, because you'll lose your account, so you're gonna have to log in back. You just have to clear the cache files and that's it. On iPhone or any iOS device, you just have to tap on offload app, then tap on reinstall app and wait until this loads up, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.